All right, today we're gonna do a low and slow cook on some pork ribs using I'm gonna actually also use it for the first time, the Stoke kebab and rib rack grilling insert system. One of the cool things and why I love my Stoke grill so much, charcoal drum in specific, is because it has this cool insert system, and you use this handle right here, lift it up. It's a releasing mechanism and locks it in. And there's different types of inserts you can use for different types of grilling. There's a wok insert, there's a kettle insert for a cast iron kettle. There's a smoking insert for smoking and steaming fish or vegetables. And today we're going to do the kebab and rib rack grilling insert system. I'll show you how easy it is to replace. There you go. So you take this out, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna put in there. So here we go with the unboxing. We have, here it is, the kebab and rib rack grilling system in the box. Let's see what we got here. It's like a porcelain enameled thing with all these different slots in it, and this is the signature Stoke grilling. This is what your tool attaches to right here. And let's see all these pieces. So it comes with, this is for kebabs. Instructions, and this is the part for the ribs. And here you go. Here's the skewers for the. But we're not going to use the kebabs today. We're not making kebabs today. We're making pork ribs. But those are also come included. And we'll see how we put this together here. These go. Go right in. Oh, I see how it goes. So see these slots right here? This will go right inside. And then you line it up. And it goes right there. And you just continue on. I'm doing 2 racks today, so I think this will give us plenty of room. It'll allow plenty of smoke to get around your ribs. There we go. Very simple. I've never seen this before I opened it, so there you go. There's your setup. I'm going to stick our ribs right in there. I'll be back once I set up our grill. So I'm going to demonstrate how I have my grill set up. We're going to cook these ribs using the snake method, where we lined. And when I barbecue on the kettle using the Stoke grill, I actually like to use briquettes for a low and slow cook, because they burn more consistently, in my opinion. When I'm cooking steaks or something high heat, I use lump charcoal. But what we did was we put a semicircle of briquettes and some apple wood and some cherry chips. And over here I have my lighter cube underneath there, and we're going to start it on one side, and it's going to work its way what's going to happen is these briquettes are going to ignite, and they're going to work their way around slowly and give us not a ton of heat, because we don't want to cook with high heat. We want to cook with low heat. So there we go. Our starter cube going. There we go. Now I'll arrange my pan. We're going to put some water and some apple cider vinegar when this gets going. And that is how we're going to be set up. And I'll show you where the rib rack goes. Right in there, like well so. Now you can see that our coals are started right here, and they're not connected. They're not going to work their way this way. They're going to work their way slowly all the way around for controlled temperature cook. I'm going to get that piece of apple, and I'm going to put it right on top of the coals here. Get that going for, if you could smell this right now, oh my Lord, crazy. And we're going to put our insert, the Stoke rib and kebab insert. We're going to put it into place now. We are ready to rock. Oh, actually, we're going to put in let's place this over here for a sec. And we're going to put some water and apple cider vinegar in. Keep some nice moisture in the pit. I'm going to adjust that a little bit so it's nice and flat now. There we go. Perfect. Some water in there. Apple cider vinegar. And we're ready. I'll put this on. Oh, got smoke. That smells good. All right. Now we're gonna place our ribs right in there. Now this is the first time I've ever done this. This is right out of the box, so we'll see how this goes. We're gonna go like this. Looks like that. And we're set. Go straight in here. Now put it like this. Just like that. Get some nice smoky flavor there. Put it in this one. Actually, I think what I'm going to do, you can adjust this on the fly. Get this really tight. I'm going to put it right in there so they have some room in between. Get plenty of smoky goodness in there. And now we're going to cover it up. So, I'm going to cover it up. There we go, baby. Stoke, my favorite grill.